Greetings from the road. This is Freighter Jim in Turlock, California. I'm here at Rootley Body Parts. I'm picking up this brass chassis, aluminum bodied, I assume, C-Cab. Beautiful car, multi-year restoration by Tom. It's going to his home in Ohio. This is 88 inches tall. A normal enclosed car hauler trailer is 72 to 78, so it wouldn't fit a normal one. But my trailers have all been custom designed with 8-foot rear doors for the past 8 years, so I can haul tall, no extra charge. We'll do a walk around here. Isn't this just gorgeous? Beautiful car. So this is making a trip with a beautiful Model A sitting in the front there. And then I've got to go over to Lynchburg, Virginia from Cleveland and pick up a 1910 Model T that's coming back to Topanga, California for a gentleman that I just hauled a 1914 Model T for. Again, I've transported personally over 450 now Model T vehicles of every configuration, and over 200 Model A's. So that's it for me. What a way to start the week after Memorial Day. Worked right through the Memorial Day weekend. Remember, drive safe, arrive alive. This is Freighter Jim. Have a good week.